guys. Okay? When the song started, we are having the Ratha thing, right? That Sudarshan is doing. Yeah? We have decided who the two people are, right? Formation wise, we are having two people down.
Folk.
For two folk people down. One folk and one Bharatanatyam, and Sudarshan is folk. Okay? And two Supriya with somebody is doing the flower.
And two Kathak are doing the
Anjali, and two Kathak are doing the fan.
And then two more Kathak doing like Sena.
Yeah, they are the Senas. Okay? After that, pose number 2, when I am doing the Sudarshan Chakra, everybody is still continuing doing the same, except one person has moved out. Meghna has moved out from the formation and joined as a flower girl. Everybody else stays the same. But it is a longer one. 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. You just stay there. Poses will look nice if we stay. Even the photographer, everybody can take a picture. Okay. After that, when we are doing Guru Brahma, Kathak and folk are moving out doing. Bharatanatyam and folk are moving out doing Guru Brahma. Folk is doing Guru Brahma. But who stays in the inner circle is Kathak. Because their style is different than ours. Okay. So can we do that, Priya? You become the Bharatanatyam, I became the folk. And Anjali, you do your Kathak. 5, 6, 7, 8. Guru Brahma. So there. Okay. Now comes Guru Vishnu. Each one knows who's the hand, who's the Sarpasisha. Everybody knows who's what. And the Kathak girls are come forward doing their poses.
And then
Guru Vishnu. Now comes Guru Devo Maheshwara. Meghna becomes the Shiva. All of us are becoming the Jata. Got it? Now Guru Sakshat's formation is X's.
Okay.
So Kathak has gone like this in 2 lines in front.
Like that.
Whereas for Bharatanatyam has gone at the back in 2 lines. Folk remains at the back center.
So for that line,
Yeah. So how are you guys moving? Do that. How are you moving? 5. Guru Maheshwara. Ready? 5. Guru Sakshat. Okay, now we are doing 1, 5, we are doing 5, 6, 7, 8. Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, we sit down. Tasmai Shri, we sit down. Guruve Namaha. We are fully on the ground, you are a little higher, Kathak is standing. Now Akhanda Mandalakaram, you have started doing the whole shloka, whereas we are rolling Akhanda Mandalakaram, Vyapam Yena Saracharam. You are doing this.
Yes.
Yeah. And then we go then we are doing Tasmai Shri Guru. We are continuing with what we are doing. Then comes that moving that 8 counts when Priya, the Bharatanatyam girls went to the left, forming a semicircle. Kathak girls went to the right, forming a semicircle. You just came like this. And the folk people formed a semicircle at the back. So it is 1 C here, 1 C here, and another C here. And then we did Govinda Bolo in our own. I did first, Kathak did second, Bharatanatyam did third, all of us did together fourth. Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Bolo, which comes 2 times, Bharatanatyam and Kathak did together, folk did separately. Okay? Immediately after that comes Govinda Bolo Hari Gopal Bolo. We are forming an X. You guys are going to your formations of 4 corners.
And
Okay?
the back line.
Yeah?
The back line.
Yeah, in the back line, we are having Sudarshan being the tallest. We are having 2 Kathak and 2 folk. They are the skirts.
No. Krishna was supposed to be Bharatanatyam, right?
Yeah, Supriya is the Krishna and the others are there. Sudarshan is the formation. Sorry. Okay? Supriya is Krishna and other people are folk and Kathak. And other people in the end of the formations are Bharatanatyam people. All rest who are left are in the formation of the cross. And after we finish the cross, Meghna, who is right in the front, has to come back doing this. So Meghna comes back. These 2 corners, Bharatanatyam, stay there. Kathak joins in. So now Bharatanatyam, center Supriya Bharatanatyam, Meghna Bharatanatyam. And the fillers are all Kathak. And folk has come forward in according to the heights of the kids. I will place them so that you people are not hidden at the back. So the tallest will be at the side and the shortest will be in the center, so that nobody is hidden at the back. And then when we are doing first Govinda Bolo like this, you guys are the Radhas. Then we did the Karya Daman Govinda Bolo, you guys are offering flowers. Then we did the Govardhana Parat, and you guys just went down, not fully down, halfway down. Okay, so this is how we have completed our formations. Alright?
Stop.